Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn different topic, how to use space between words. These are words: MS Word, MS Excel, to whom, in, out. You see MS, then no space here. MS Word, no space. MS Excel, no space here. To whom, no space here. How to use space between MS and Word we will learn today. Here you see I use formula left, and here I use formula mid, and here I use another formula. How to do it? Let's do in example. I deleted MS, the two alphabets start from left hand side, therefore I use equal to left, select this cell, and we require only two alphabets from left, therefore I use comma and press 2, enter. You see MS Word comes. Here we require the word equal to, a word is on my right hand side, therefore I use right, select I use mid. Actually I can use right as well, but if I require a fixed four words, word has WORD, four words, but in Excel I have five words, EXCEL, five alphabets. Therefore the right formula not works in it, because on right hand side four words, three words, five words, and if more words, then it is not fixed. Therefore I use mid formula, equal to mid, bracket open, select this, comma, M1 S2 W is 3, comma, and I can make write 10. 10 means you can write 100 as well, you can 20, 30, anything, because if word has maximum 10 alphabets it comes, therefore I use 10. I close the bracket and press enter. Here you see word. Okay, then if I remove this as well, if I remove this as well, then I use formula equal to this and use and this and. The purpose of this and is for merging purpose, therefore I use and. Then quotation mark. Whenever I use space or digit, I have to use quotation mark, then I press space button, then again quotation marks to close it, and press again and merge with word and press enter. The purpose of and mark is to make together, and the quotation mark used for space purpose or any digit purpose, therefore I must have to mark quotation mark between space. This is formula. I copy it and paste paste, paste. If the word is like this, too mm, many, too many. If the word is too many, then it doesn't work because I fix right only for two. Then we have to think other formula. If the word has only the start versus in out, then it works. It means if the starting value has 2 or 3 or 4, it is fixed, not changed, then you can use this formula. For example, in the CNIC, the digits are same. If you require 4 starting digits, you can use this formula. In invoice number, if the invoice number is ms-123/45, you can use you require two digits, then you can use this formula. Hopefully you understand the purpose of this formula. If you have any query, you may freely discuss and share with your friends. Thank you so much.